Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Tecno K7. Before we start this process, I will ask from you guys to hit on the subscribing button, so when I upload new video you can get notification automatically, and like so others too can watch. Now let's start the process. 1. Press the power. Power. 2. Press the up volume here. You must press and hold them like this at the same time. Press and hold them at the same time like this. Let's start. 1. Up volume, power. Press and hold them at the same time like this. Press and hold them till you see the screen light. Now leave the screen light, leave the power button when the screen light, and hold on the up volume. Now you are going to remove no command. How are you going to remove this? You are just going to use the down to move and the power as okay. Let's start. Down. Okay, my down is not working, so I'm using the up. And select factory reset. And press power. And select delete all user data and press power. Now press power to reboot your phone and check the link below the description to bypass Tecno K7 without PC. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe now.